back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Rainbow Dash. I'm going to put a blue mask on blue paint. I'm going to use Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to start with rainbow colors, starting with yellow. And then next is orange. And then I'm going to use red. Now next is green. And then the last color is blue. Next we're going to highlight with Queen. Ooh, it's so shiny. And now I'm going to put pink blush on my cheeks. Now Mommy's putting eyeliner on my eyes. Rainbow eyes.
It's a cloud, right? Is it?
Yes, it's a cloud. And then the red and yellow and blue are like close together. So Mommy's putting red and yellow and blue line bumps on my cheek. Now I'm gonna put some glitter under my eyes. My favorite pink lipstick. My favorite pink lip gloss now. Now my mommy's is gonna do my Rainbow Dash hair, starting with side ponytails. Now my mom is gonna put rainbow ribbons in my hair. I look just like Rainbow Dash now. I'm all done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my Rainbow Dash makeup. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!